Okay, good evening, students. Today we're going to start with a new class. So first of all, I would like to mention that what is the reason about why we chose this method that is project-based learning. We chose this method because it allows students to reflect and work in groups in order to identify the problem, analyze the situation, and give possible solutions. And this method is focused on active learning, relevancy, and authenticity. In addition, it tries to develop a deeper understanding and boost students' engagement. So now my classmate Milena is going to continue with the next part. So I'm sorry, Millie, I think your microphone is off. Okay, let's wait for Milena because I think she's having problems with her microphone.
Can you hear me now? Okay.
Yes, Milena.
Okay, thank you. In order to continue this class, I'm also going to give. Sorry, I'm going to thank you for your attendance to this class. I'm going to mention something important is that we have chosen the topic testing on animals. Since it's important that you can discuss and develop your knowledge on current issues, and that it is currently a problem in the society. In addition, the activities that we have planned will help you relate the knowledge that you already have with the new that we are going to find into the activities that we have created for you. Okay, now, Kalita, can you share the screen, please, in order to start with activities?
Okay, Mil. So give me a second, please. I'm going to share the activities with you. Okay. Okay, Millie, you can continue.
Okay, let me know, guys. Can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now, as the first activity, you're going to look at these pictures and you're going to tell me what comes to your mind when you see these pictures. So I'm going to give you a little some time in order that you can clarify your ideas. So what you want to say about it? Okay, now I'm going to ask to Alison. Alison, tell me what comes to your mind when you see these pictures?
Okay, it's about beauty and a picture that you can see in an Avon magazine. It could be.
Okay, thank you. That's yes, that could be. Jenny, tell me, what comes to your mind when you see this picture?
Well, the first thing that comes to my mind is the word beauty. Well, I can see two beautiful women wearing a colorful makeup. So yes, they are beautiful.
Thank you, Jenny. Okay, now we're going to continue describing some other pictures. Can you change the slide, please? Okay, thank you, Calita. So now here we have other kind of pictures, but now you're going to tell me what comes to your mind when you see these pictures. I'm going to give you 1 minute in order that you can clarify your ideas about what you can say. Okay, the time is up. So, Blanquita, tell me, what comes to your mind when you see these pictures?
Okay, teacher, good morning. Good evening, sorry.
Good evening, Blanquita.
I'm nervous. Okay, the point is that I can see two rabbits. I think that, I don't know if you remember about Ralph Saves. It is like this. I think that it is like this picture is referring to this because you know that many makeup is based on yes, is based on animal mistreatment, especially with rabbits. You know that there are several experiments with animals, so I think that this is the photo referring to that safe Ralph. It comes to my mind this first when I see rabbits and a little makeup, like for example, lips and things like that. So I think that it is referring to animal mistreatment.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Blanquita. Raúl, could you tell me what comes to your mind when you see these pictures?
You represent two pictures for the rabbit. I think that mayout companies use these animals for mayout tags. In these animals used in the companies is a monkeys, is a pig, in another animals for the tags makeup.
Yes, in order to make makeup, right? Thank you so much, Raúl. So that's it, guys. Today we are going to be talking to this topic. So in order to introduce in a correct way the topic, we're going to continue in making some questions. So for this part, my classmate Calita is going to continue.
Okay, guys, so now you're going to discuss about these questions. The first question for you guys is, have you ever bought products from any of these brands? And the next questions for you is, have you ever checked if the products you bought are cruelty-free? And the last questions for you guys is, did you know that people experiment with animals to approve products that we use in our daily lives? And the last it is, do you think that animals suffer during tests? So please, guys, you have around 5 minutes to discuss in this about these questions, and you're going to work in groups. So I think Jenny is going to work with Blanquita, and Alison is going to work with Raul. So if you have any questions, I'm here.
Calita, can you share again the slides, please, in order that they can copy or take a screenshot of the questions?
Yes, sure. I'm going to share the questions in Teams chat. So let me let me share the questions. Okay, guys, those are the questions that you are going to discuss. So please go ahead. 5 minutes to work.
Alison, maybe do you have any problems entering to the room?
Okay, guys, so let's continue. So, Blanquita, could you tell me, have you ever bought products from any of these brands?
Yes, I have. I have purchased, for example, Colgate, Dove, and let me see where is the other one. And yes, and also Clorox as well. I think that they are some useful products that we use in our everyday in order to do or in order to yes in order to use. And yeah, that will be it. Yes, I have used them.
Okay, thank you, Blanquita. So let's see. Alison, what did you discuss about this question with your partner?
Well, we said that sometimes no, rarely, we rarely checked the the things that we buy if it is cruelty free, because as I said, Blanquita, we get into the supermarket and try to get the things quickly. So don't focus on the things that are or not cruelty free, and that is more as a customs that people have, and we need to try that kind of custom that and avoid that animals suffer the power that human beings have.
Oh, really interesting. Thank you, Alison, for your answer. So let's see. Raul, tell me, what did you discuss about these questions with your partner?
Okay, I were alone, but I respond to your question, teacher. No, uh, I have only seen this animal protection advertisements. Um, I see some campaigns given by animal protection members. I don't know.
Okay, so thank you, Raul. So now Mile is going to continue with the next part.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your participation into this discussion part. As I said, we made this activity in order to introduce a topic that is animal testing in laboratories for the creation of beauty products. So now we are going to continue with the next part, in which we are going to make an activity about uh, a word wall, about vocabulary. So now let me share my screen in order to do this activity. So now I'm going to share with you the link of this word wall, in which you are going to have the opportunity to practice, learn a little bit the use of vocabulary that we're going to use in this
Blanquita lost the connection because in his house it's raining right now.
Okay. So now I'm going to copy the link of this activity. The link is going to be into the chat, into the Teams chat. Please get into the link and complete the activity. You have 3 minutes in order to cover this activity as maximum. So give me a moment. So here you are, guys, the link. Now I'm going to explain you a little bit how this activity works. So here you have, in this part, you are going to find some sentences. In each of them each of them has a picture. So the first, you can notice that each sentence has one word or words in bold. So according to the bold words, you are going to match the sentence with the meaning. So here we have the sentence with the bold word. You're going to match them with the according meaning. So as I said, I'm going to give you 3 minutes in order that you can complete this activity. I already shared with you the link of the word well. So go ahead, guys. Once you have finished, please take a screenshot of your grade, your score, in order to see that you have completed this activity. Okay, the time is up. Thank you so much, Jennifer and Raul. Here's missing the Allison's. Okay, here we have already the Allison's response. So now, please, can you hear me, Ali? Tell me. The first phrase that we have is European Union is the world's largest or cruelty-free cosmetic market. So according to cruelty-free, what is the meaning of cruelty-free?
Okay, give me a second. I have bought in this, but I think it's the first one of communicatives, of cosmetics or other commercial products.
Okay, so let me see. We're going to check if your answers are right. Thank you, Alison. That will tell me. Some countries worldwide still allow animal testing for cosmetics. So according to testing, what is the meaning of this word?
Maybe they measures to check the quality, performance, or reliability on something, especially before putting into business price, use or practice.
Okay, thank you, Raul. So let's see, Jenny, tell me. It's necessary to help ban cosmetics animal testing once and for all. So tell me, according to Van, what is the meaning of this word?
It is informal denunciation or prohibition as by public opinion.
Thank you so much, Jenny. So let's continue again with Alison. Tell me. The next one says some animals should endure this hard testing process. So according to endure, what is the meaning of this word?
To bear without resistance or with patient tolerate.
Okay, thank you so much, Alison. So here we have the last one, right? The missing words. But tell me, Raul, according to it says cosmetic products and their ingredients may be dripped into rabbit's eyes. So tell me, what is the meaning of dripped?
To let drops fall, she dropped.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. So that is it, guys. As I said before, here we have some vocabulary that you are going to use in order to continue doing the next activities. So now here we have the vocabulary part, but now you are going to focus on this video. We're going to share with you this video in order that you can listen and watch listening in order to continue then with the next activity. So for that, my classmate Carlita is going to continue.
Okay, guys, so now you're going to watch a video about animal testing. So let me share my screen about the video, and let's see. Okay. Okay, guys.
Ready? We rolling? Okay, Ralph, can you mark it, please?
You want me to click it now?
Yep, go for it. Go on. Like that? Brilliant.
Oh, it's like in the movies. Alrighty, so my name's Ralph.
So that is the video. Girls, can you hear the audio?
I'm blind in my right eye, and
Yes, teacher. So, okay,
Yes.
please, can you stop the video, Kalita?
Okay, yes, let me see.
Please share with them the questions and then explain them what they are going to do, Kalita, please.
Okay, guys, this is the video. So, and then you're going to discuss questions about this video. So those are the questions. Let me see. Okay, guys, the question for you is, did you know about animal testing? Do you know which animals are most frequently used? And the third question for you is, what is your opinion about experimenting with animals? And the last one, it is, what alternatives or possible solutions could you suggest in this situation? So please, guys, I'm going to share with you these questions, and now you're going to watch the video. Okay, so there you have the questions. Okay, so let's see the video. Please, guys, pay attention. So let me know if you can hear the video. And
this here, can't hear nothing.
okay, can you see my screen and hear the video?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please, guys, go ahead.
Ready? We rolling? Okay, Ralph, can you mark it, please?
Do you want me to click it now?
Yep, go for it. Go on.
Like that?
Brilliant.
Oh, it's like in the movies. Alrighty, so my name's Ralph. I'm a rabbit, as you can see. I'm blind in my right eye, and this here, can't hear nothing but ringing now. Yeah, it's annoying, isn't it? Yeah. So I had my fur shaved and got chemical burns up and down my back. Kind of stings, eh? But it's not a big deal. It only really hurts when I, like, breathe or move around or whatever. Ah, yeah. Ow. Yeah, that hurts. But at the end of the day, I mean, it's okay. We do it for the humans, right? They're far superior to us animals. They've even been to space. Have you ever seen a rabbit in a rocket ship? Oh, I don't think so. Point is, I'm not a space bunny. I'm a tester. My daddy was a tester, my mum, my brothers, my sisters, my kids, all testers. And they all died doing their job. Like I will. That's okay. Testing is what we were born to do. It makes us rabbits happy. Yeah. Oh, gotta get to work. Now I know it looks bad, but the way I see it, I'm doing my job. If just one human can have the illusion of a safer lipstick or deodorant or...
Hey, Ralphie! Psst. Ralphie! What's with the camera crew, bro?
Oh, they just follow me around, making a documentary or something.
Can you ask him to get us out of here?
Yeah, what we see?
Come on, Ralphie, just ask him to get us out of here. I don't want to die, man.
Okay,
Ralphie!
Okay, I hear you. You can edit that out, right? Oh, here we go. Shit! So in closing, I'd just like to say that.
Sorry, Ralph. We're over here. Can you turn around?
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
Is this better?
Yeah. Carry on, mate.
Okay, so yeah, I'd just like to say to everyone out there still buying animal-tested cosmetics like eyeliner, shampoo, sunscreen, pretty much everything in your bathroom. Well, without you and countries that allow animal testing, I'd be out of a job. I'd be on the streets. Well, not the streets, more like a field, I guess. You know, like a normal rabbit. But hey. It's all good.
Okay, guys, as you can see, and now you're going to discuss about this video. So you're going to reflect and answer the questions in the breakout rooms. So you have around 5 minutes to do this part. And let me see. I'm going to create the groups. Okay, so Milena, could you help me creating the groups, please? So let me see.
So remember, guys, you have 5 minutes in order to make this discussion with your partners. So go ahead. Maybe if you have any questions, maybe do you have any questions before to start the meeting? Okay. If not, we're going to continue.
So, well, guys, um, and please, Raul, could you tell me, did you know about animal testing?
Mm, animal testing. Mm,
Or have you ever
I
heard about?
don't. I don't know. I don't know about animal testing, but sometimes I see that some members of the human society carry out campaigns to prevent the use of animals in the makeup text.
Okay, thank you, Raul. So, Alison, could you tell me, do you know which animals are most frequently used?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
What was the question?
Yes. Do you know which animals are most frequently used?
Yes, the most animals used are rabbits.
Okay, what is your opinion about experimenting with animals?
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I think it is very bad and it is wrong because animals needs to be safe and they need to be free in their habits and they don't have to feel the cruelty about human beings because it is bad. It is um how can I say the testing and that kind of things. I think it is very bad for people and animals and their environment.
Okay, I totally agree with you. Jenny, what is your opinion about this video, experimenting with animals?
Well, I think, about the video, I think that it was a shocked video. I was shocked about, yes, that is a reality. Rabbits, well, in this case, a rabbit can't talk, right? But rabbits are suffering because of products, beauty products, because products that we buy, sorry. And it is not only about makeup, right? Or lipsticks. It is about products that we usually or we always buy, for example, shampoo or soaps or something like that. So I think that yes, as my classmate, my classmate Alison told you, it is a wrong activity. It is something that unhuman, I could say. It is not good to taste or to make an animal suffer. Yes, that's my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Jenny. I really appreciate your answers were very interesting. So, Raul, could you tell me what alternatives or possible solutions could you suggest in this situation? Okay, Raul, I couldn't hear.
I'm sorry, my microphone is turned off. I'm sorry,
Okay,
teacher.
don't worry.
Ah, expecting your question, I think the companies may be using dolls for the experiments on all these products. I think would be a good option in order to protect are not torture the life of the animals.
Okay, Raul, thank you. So, Mile is going to continue with the next activity. So, Mile, please. Okay, Mile, your microphone is off.
Can you share again your screen, Calita, please?
Yes, Mile.
Okay. And let me see the next slide, please. Okay, so yes, here you have, guys. Now, in order to practice what you have learned today, you're going to create an infograph. In this infograph, you're going to give solutions or give some ideas to make awareness in order to take care of animals that are used in the laboratories in order to test for on cosmetics or help animals that suffering in experiments. So now I'm going to create the breakout rooms, and you're going to work with your classmates in groups. So then you are going to present your infograph, and that's all for today. So please let me create the breakout rooms. So that's it, guys. Now you're going to remember to create this infographic in groups, and then you're going to present with the class. So let's start, guys. You have for this just 5 minutes, just to create, just try to put in the infographic, small words, small ideas, and that's all for today. So now, maybe do you have any questions about the task? Okay, if it is clear, we're going to continue.
Esto que te conectes a una clase.
Okay, guys, time is up. So please, Alison, could you share your infographic, please?
Yes, give me a second, please.
Okay.
Could Jenny or Raul share the picture, please? Because I don't have the option in my computer.
Yeah, okay. Let me share with you my screen, please. Yeah. There you are. Can you see? Can you see, Ali?
Yes, Jenny, thank you.
Yes.
I think.
Can you expand? Okay. It says what you can do, or what can you do? The RSPCA UK recommends consumers to only use products supplied by companies operating a cruelty-free policy. The first one, the company manufacturing the cosmetic product does not originate, endorse, or finance only form of testing on animals. Number two, the cosmetics must not contain ingredients tested on animals by or on behalf of the cosmetic industry. Number three, the policy includes a commitment to take whatever steps are morally necessary and legally or financially possible to achieve a reduction in the use of animal testing. Support cruelty-free brands.
Okay, so very good. Excellent, Alison. You did a great job. So, Jennifer, could you share your presentation, please?
Oh, we thought that we had to create an infographic per group.
Oh, okay, yes.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't worry. Raul, could you share your infographic, please, or you work with Alison?
Carita, I think it's the same. All of them were in the same group. So please, Jenny and Raul, could you share your ideas about this infographic? What can you say about these activities that you can apply?
Yes, of course. Well, I would like to say that a good idea to protect animals from this tasting activity could be include a law where animals or well right animals must be protected or must be respected. So if the person if a company goes I'm so sorry. Well, if a company goes beyond that law, that means that they can, well, they must pay, for example, they must pay something amount of money. And in this way, they can start thinking about protecting animals and doing or testing using other things instead of animals.
Okay, thank you so much, Jennifer. Okay, Raul, could you tell me something about the infographic?
Okay, well respected organography is I think is a represent a kind of truth for animals. In this case, scientists experiment with other objects. I think. Um, but some things I only know that the animals. They use the rabbits, pigs, and monkeys. It's a crime. Maybe companies that recommendations they using different objects for the test made ups. For example, in the test cars using text dolls. In this case, is this similar?
Okay, thank you so much, Raul. Okay, guys, now thank you so much for your participation. Now I'm going to, Calita is going to share with you the assignment that you are going to do as homework.
Okay, guys, your homework for you is record a video presentation about the importance to use cruelty-free products on Flipgrid platform. And the instruction for you is record 1 minute about this situation, and you are going to upload the video on Flipgrid platform. So if you have any questions about this homework, you can tell me.
Yes, teacher, I have a question. How long this video must be?
Is around 1 minute, please.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. That's it. And now I'm going to share with you the class in which you are going to join to the class, to the Flipgrid platform class in which they are going to be the assignment. Then you're going to upload your videos, and that's it. Then I'm going to share with you the rubric in order that we are going to assess, that we are going to grade your task, and also we are going to send you the rubric in which we are going to grade your participation into this class. So thank you so much, guys, for your participation, for your attendance. It was a pleasure to know your points of view. And that's it. Thank you so much. Maybe, Calita, do you want to add something else?
Yeah, thank you guys for your attention and participation. It was a pleasure to be here with you. So thank you. I really appreciate it. That's it.
Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, teachers. Bye. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. See you.
See you, guys.